What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and today I'm trying to get my Mustang fixed. Yes, it's not working, it's not starting, but I'm gonna go over what I think it is. Yes sir.
Say hello to my little friend.
Alright people, let's see, I got my coffee. Working off of 3 hours of sleep. And my Mustang won't start. It started, I was supposed to go do a cleanup job on Friday. And on Thursday, went to start it up, to load it up, and it wouldn't start. So Friday I went and got a new battery. I thought it was bad. Every winter time the battery died. Not every winter time, every other year or whatever. Put the new battery in it, still didn't start. So did some research. People said basically the most common problems, it could be either the battery, the Solonoid, the starter, or the ignition thing. So I got a new Solonoid because that seemed like the easiest thing to fix, and so hopefully it's that. So I got a big leaf job. Luckily with this leaf job I don't have to haul the leaves away. I just have to get them into the wood somehow. So I have a few ways of doing that, but the easiest way would be to have this bad boy with my giant leaf bag on it. So hopefully I can get it started. Yes sir. Okay, so I have located the Solonoid. Is this thing right here. It was only $14. My friend Romeo always says try the cheapest thing first. So my starter, if y'all don't know that black can thing right there, that's that. I'm assuming I'm probably gonna have to order that offline. So that's why I said the Solonoid, I picked that up from Lowe's, 14 bucks. So hopefully that's the culprit, or it could be that ignition switch over there. Let me show y'all what it does. It just click, click, click. And it sounds like the clicking is coming from the Solonoid, so that's what I'm hoping what it is. Alright people, I just want to show y'all this before I attempt to take it off. If y'all see right here, let me zoom it out. You see right here on this bolt for the Solonoid, some kind of corrosion built up. So you know, that might be the problem. There we go. Might be the problem, but I already got a new one. So my thing is, even if that's not the problem, I'm hoping it's the Solonoid, bro. I'm hoping it's the Solonoid. But even if that's not the problem, I already got it loose. Already got a new one. Might as well go ahead and change it, and I'll go from there. Alright people, so I always like to examine the before and after when I take parts apart, because like before this weekend I didn't even know what a Solonoid was. But if you can see from this one, it looks like this is melted. I don't even know what this was. I don't know if it's built up or whatnot. And it looks like that one did it a little bit as well. If I could get the focus. There we go. That one did it a little bit as well. So yeah, this is the new one, and of course it's not melted. So Another thing is, like I said, I didn't know what a solenoid was before this weekend, so a good key, I had some plugs plugged into these. Take pictures, you know, whip out your cell phone, take a picture, a couple of pictures, just so you can, you won't have to try to remember what plugs go where. You can just look at your pictures, plug every connection back up the way it was, you'll be good to go. So let's get this bad boy on. Yes, sir. Alright people, as you can see, we got the new solenoid back in there, got the battery back hooked up. And so, cross your fingers. If it tries to start, I still got to spray starter fluid in it because that's how I have to start this. But so, let's see what it do. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Let's go, people. Let's go. Told my customer I will be there at this morning. So super excited. Easy fix, people. See, a lot of people get scared about trying to fix stuff. A lot of times do a little research, always have a go-to guy you can ask him, bounce a couple questions off, which is mine is Romeo. A lot of times you can fix most problems. And the internet fixed my problem this time. Anywho, thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes sir.